Look, it's a Valentine.
All the pretty girls walk like this.
Oh. Oh, are you in love?
Pretty girls walk like this. All the pretty girls
What?
walk like this.
Is that your Valentine? You want me to have her walk towards you?
Pretty girls walk like this. All the
What you
pretty
thinking?
girls walk like this.
You giving kisses? You giving her kisses? What's that, your Valentine? What do you think of her? Is she
All
your
pretty
type?
girls walk like this. Pretty girls walk like this. All the pretty girls walk like
Come
this.
here, Lucky.
Pretty girls walk like this.
You taking it? Oh, you pushed her over.
Pretty girls walk like this.
Is that what you think of your Valentine? Say hi, Valentine.
The pretty girls walk like this.
Want to say bye to the bird? You want to say hi? Really? That wasn't very nice. That was your friend. That was your friend. You didn't like your new toy? So we'll put her back away in the closet again. No? So it's just about that. It's just you just. All right, I won't ever hold another bird again. I'm sorry. I'll hold you. Okay, I get the point. I'm sorry. All right, the doggy took it, so we're good. The doggy took your new friend. What do you say? What's that? Is that so cool? Are you glad? Say thank you. Thank you, TikTok, for 500,000 followers. How cool. Did you ever expect that? I know. You got to thank everybody. Say thank you to all your followers. Yeah. I know. We did good. All because of their support. They're the best. So thank you, TikTok. I know. We're going to keep posting. Yeah, 500. Yeah, there's the 5,000. 500,000. Yeah, the cat's trying to sneak in on your 500,000 followers. Say thank you so much, TikTok followers. Thank